Ubak Vincent H. Pala u President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ulaong makakam Khaïi tu Beaiñ yow Dewïong kam dai su ka baburi Henry ka balapau peleng. Habakran sikilat pathai khubor hakalai tari urisa arja arpusan ubak Vincent H. Pala ula Kynnoh baki badan kiti hakani kakam kide ki badan haka sarkar bakentup nadu ki baret hadu ki bahe. Nolol kata ula Kynnoh ru baki badan haka bor ki pendan kam da ka Pisa Khaïi Beaiñ yow Dewïong ban Thied MLA.
There's an open secret. There's nothing to hide. If you take one truck of coal from, say, Giant Hills to Guwahati, you have to pay huge money for that. So there's an open secret that all the coal has been sold openly. So I think there's nothing to hide. Only thing maybe the press, they don't do a proper homework. I think this was highlighted by Dr. Celestian in the assembly also. And now maybe what I came to know that those people who talk very big in the assembly, now they are part of all those cartels. So that's why I think now is an open secret that the coal have been openly sold, and what they have given that because of rain and all this is only an excuse, no other excuses, so they have to give excuses. So I think one day, I don't know, the government has to find out, but everybody knows that rain may not be able to, so much rain is not there this year. So I think this government is only an excuse. There's no other excuse except to blame the weather, blame the rain. Nothing is the same.
Do you suspect that some of the big names involved in this whole cut?
No, not only the big name, the small name. All the people in the government are involved, right from the functionaries of the NPP and the BJP together, all are involved in it. There's no big name or small name, all are involved in the government on this. Rather, they totally depend on this for their trading, for the horse trading and all. They all depend on the coal. So much of this money is for that.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.